Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact disable message and any code in Apple's email or on your device. This tells you why the account was disabled. Next, gather your Apple ID, the device serial number, recent purchase receipts, and the payment method used. Once done, sign into Appleid. Apple. Com to verify contact details and security settings and make screenshots of errors. These will speed support. Make sure to note dates of recent transactions. They often explain automated flags. Now you'll run checks, sign into Appleid. Apple. Com and review security sections, then attempt a password reset or two-factor revalidation if available. Do this calmly, because repeated failed attempts can extend the lock. Once you have logs and screenshots, open Apple Support and choose App Store or Apple ID disabled. Request a formal review and attach receipts plus device info. Explain the context, why purchases are legitimate, and ask for escalation if automated systems made the decision. Finish by implementing any instructions from Apple Support immediately. Follow their steps to verify identity, submit photo ID, or remove disputed payment methods. Then monitor the support case number and reply promptly. If the initial review is denied, ask for escalation and provide additional proof like purchase receipts or billing statements. If problems persist, investigate related issues, reversed bank charges, family sharing conflicts, or App Store policy violations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.